Hi guys, this is Varun Marathe and today I'm going to share with you the best alternatives which are available to the Google Now launcher, which is now not available for non-pixel devices starting yesterday. Let me just show you now. If you go in Google Play Store and search for the Google Play launcher right now, it is available, but it will show you that your device is not capable with this version. So if you are having a non-pixel device, now Google Now launcher won't be available. So here are a few options which I would like to share with you. Now these are the options which I'm going to talk about. So let's see them one by one. The first one which is there is ADW launcher. Now this launcher I would say is the closest which comes to the Google Now launcher because it is having a stock Android theme to it. It is a very fluid launcher. It has scrollable wallpapers at behind which you can control. If you swipe from the bottom, you get the app drawer which is vertical, and it is very smooth transition. There is no lag or anything whatsoever. Here you get the small Google logo where you can search directly, and there are a few controls which are available when you long press. Here it is the menu which comes up. There are options for wallpapers, widget, locking the desktop, themes, gesture. Now gesture is something which is interesting because here you can set what gestures will do what kind of commands, so it will give you a more control on your on your launcher. Whatever you want to do can be done from this. If when you swipe up, what happens, when you swipe down, what happens, and so forth and so on. You can also add a few gesture depending on what you want, and from the home screen only you will get multiple things at your command. So yeah, this is one of the most minimalistic launchers I've ever seen. Now this color, according to me, changes according to the wallpaper which is there at the background. It will take a shade from it, and the background of this app drawer will be changed accordingly. Now let's go to another launcher. The next launcher which is there is ASAP launcher. Now personally this is one of the best launchers I have seen. The only thing is the ASAP launcher from the get-go wants to be a default launcher, so that is what you need to do. So we'll just go over here, and in home screen we will turn the ASAP launcher as your default launcher, and now here we go. So the greatest thing about this launcher is everything in this launcher is just a few swipes away. I'll give an example. Now when you swipe up from the bottom, these are the most frequently used apps. So generally what happens is we only use a few apps again and again, so we don't require to see the entire app drawer every time. So this is what it learns from our uses, and it will arrange only those apps which are frequently used in this column. So just one swipe up and you will be getting all the apps which you use regularly. Now when you when you swipe right or left from the middle, from the center of the screen, it will go to different screens which are pretty useful, because now when I'm swiping right, as you can see, this is calendar. It is showing all the upcoming events which are there. Again another swipe, this is the to-do list. Here we can add whatever you want to do in the day, and it will just be kind of a reminder. Now when you go back and when you swipe left, here are the frequently used contacts. So we also don't contact a lot many people every time, so whatever contacts are frequently used will appear over here. And another swipe is the weather information. So in all there are 5 screens which are by default available right over there. Now another interesting thing is when you swipe from the right corner, this is what it is. These are the quick toggles which are available right there on the corner. You don't have to bring down the notification panel for them. It is right there available on the right corner. And when you swipe from the left corner, you will get this app drawer. Now this is where all the applications are present from A to Z, each and every application. So this is your app drawer basically, and every application is present over here. So this is what I mean. This is my favorite of the bunch which I am going to show you, because it is minimalistic and everything which is important to you is just a swipe away, and you don't have to worry about it eating a lot of RAM, because it is very simple. There is not much overlay on it. Now if you want to now let's see another applications. Now for that we'll first have to clear the default which is there. So yeah, we'll go in this, and we'll change the default to Samsung Experience once again. Now going home, we'll see the third app which is there in the list. It is Kiss Launcher. Now the full form of this launcher is keep it simple and stupid. The reason is this is the entire launcher. You don't have anything other than this. Now this is where any swipes, any number of swipes, you won't get anything on this launcher. Whatever you want to use, whatever you want to see, you will have to search over here and open it, and once it is done, it will appear over here as a recently opened application. So this is the most simplest of all launcher. It won't be eating any kind of RAM and also saving a lot of battery, because there is nothing which is going on the home screen. There is no scrollable pages, there are no widgets, everything is available straight on the screen, and there's nothing more to talk about. Whatever you will be doing, it will appear over here. If you're messaging, if you are opening a particular app, that will be seen over here, and for the next uses it will be available on the screen, and you will just have to tap and use it. So yeah, maybe if you are driving or something, or if you're on a long drive and you still want to access a few columns of your phone, which I advise you shouldn't do, this is one of the most similar, one of the most minimalistic launchers which is available right now. Now going to the home screen, we'll see another launcher. This is Lucid Launcher. Now this is also an interesting launcher, because this launcher has vertical as well as horizontal scrolls available from this home screen. Now I'll explain to you. One amazing thing which this launcher has is when you swipe right, it has a browser embedded in its screen only. So yeah, you can turn it off as well, but this I think is one of the most amazing features of this launcher. I agree, this is not the Google search engine. It does not uses the Google search engine over here. If you just type something, it will be showing it in another search engine. But in general, the speed of this launcher is amazing. Whatever you search, whatever you want, it shows up very quickly, and everything is very fluid, which we don't see very often. Since it's embedded over here, we won't need any third party browser to download, and just a swipe away we will be having a browser. So yeah, this is one kind of standout feature of this browser. Now when you see on the home screen right now, at the right side we are having three dots. It is because we can also scroll vertically to get to another screen. So it has two more screens on the bottom for the apps. Now when you swipe left, you get all the applications over here. When you hard press on the applications, you will get this multiple options, whichever you want. Hide app is also an option, so that the app will be hidden. And yeah, each and every application has similar kind of options over here. So there is no more that is not much changed. And yeah, this is also one of the most simplistic launchers we can ever see. Hard press on the home screen and you will get these multiple options, which are pretty standard everywhere, and you can change them accordingly. If you go in launcher settings, you have this all kind of settings which are available. There is browser settings as well, where you can change whatever you want. You can have desktop view as well. You can change the search engine as well. So yeah, so this I think is also one of the best launchers in case you want to have a minimalistic look and you are more tech savvy. You are constantly searching on internet, so there is no need to have a separate browser. The browser is embedded in this launcher, and I think it will just be a swipe away and it would be a great thing for you. Another launcher which we'll be seeing is Nova Launcher. Everyone is familiar with Nova Launcher. I think it is one of the best launchers, and it has been one of the best launchers over the years. Now it keeps changing according to the new updates which come. Now it has multiple screens. It's the movement, as you can see, is very fluid. You have the app drawer, which is similar to the Oreo app drawer which is available. If you swipe once again, you will get to search the applications which you want to search. Now when you go back, these are the application drawer folders which can be made on the home screen. Nothing much to talk about. This is Nova Launcher. Everyone is familiar with it. If you hard press, you will get this multiple options, and the settings which is there, you can go into the settings of the Nova Launcher. There are multiple settings available. Desktop grid, what if you want to change the grid icon layout, you can change the size, you can change the width, you can change the height. I think this is one of that launcher which provides you a lot of control on your home screen. It can change each and every aspect of your home screen, whatever you want. Scrolling speed, animation speed, app speed, whatever you want can be changed from here. You can also turn this on to get dark icons. You can also hide the navigation bar. So yeah, everything you want to do can be done here. Also we have gesture controls. Now many of them are prime controls, so you have to buy the Nova Launcher Prime in order to get access to these. But as I showed you, the overall launcher which is available is also great, and you don't have to pay for that. Now the last but not the least is the U Launcher 3D. Now this launcher actually is exactly opposite to all the other launchers. It is not a simple launcher. It is a very heavy skin on the top of your mobile. It uses a lot of processing power, but it provides you with nice animations, and they are smooth. I'll like to tell you, if your phone is capable, these 3D animations are really cool, and they are really smooth as well. It will provide a different theme to your home screen and your mobile phone. If you're bored with your normal simple launcher, this one can provide some kind of character to your home screen. Now when you go into the settings, these are the toggles which are available for the launcher. These are their own toggles. You need not use them. Now when you go into launcher settings, these are the multiple settings which are available. You can change the icon size. If you feel that they are too big, you can change it. You can make it smaller. You have these multiple options of live wallpaper, infinite scrolling, all apps recommended, etc. When you go into advanced setting, these are memory clean and anything. Double tap to lock screen is also an option. We have also option for hide applications. So yeah, so it is kind of a very heavy launcher. It is having a heavy skin on the top of your phone, and if your phone does not have the processing capacity, it may even slow down your phone. But if you have, this is a very nice change. Now when you swipe up, you will get these extra options where you have options for changing the effect which you see. Right now it is on cube, so whatever effect you want you can have. So let's say tune down effect is what I want right now. So look at this. So yeah, it is a nice change. It is a welcome change. If you want a heavy skin on the top of your phone, this launcher is the one to go. So yeah, that's it guys. If I have missed any launcher, if you think that there should be any more launcher in this video, please comment below. And if you like my video, please like it, please share it, and subscribe to my channel. That's it from me guys. Thank you.